Welcome to Pushtun Expert. In this video, we will create 3D drawing. This is a surprise. Let's go to start. First of all, cut board in circular shape. This is cut. We will apply glue in all boards. Then we will add a silver sheet. Add silver sheets in all circular shape. Then we will add a cotton thinny layer. We will add and we will apply again glue on this cotton thinny. We will a markup of this layer. We will add a dark blue color. Let's apply and color this all water. We will cut carefully this cotton layer. Then we will add a shipboard. After that we will add a glue inside. Then we will color of this rock and add a green place of this rock. Then we will the second board creator. We will add a white color because the water is show up. It's amazing. It's almost done. OMG. Okay, let's see what this created. We will create a layer of water because the ship was gone and the layer is come between them. After that we will create a cotton ball for these ships. This looks awesome, amazing. We will add this tiny edges. Wow, it's look amazing. We will see. Add another thing. This is look like fire. Okay, this is good. Again we will create more cotton added with together, creating glue and add black color. Looks like a fairy. You are also try this type of 3D drawing at home. Look, don't forget subscribe our channel, share this video with friend. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.